So this is auction day with Clay. Please share my videos and subscribe. I look at a 2016 Jeep today, a 97 Jeep, and a 2007 Dodge NITRO. So this is auction day with Clay. Like and share my videos, subscribe to my page. We're looking at an 07 Dodge NITRO that has 161,000 miles on it. See what it brings. Some tearing on the seats. Tires are middle of the road. We'll watch this go up and see what it brings. Maybe I'll buy it, maybe I won't. It's going to need a new set of treads. Tearing on the seat. Motor sounds good. Check engine lights on. See what's up. So the next one on the agenda is this Wrangler. It's a 97. Who knows how many miles. Can't get inside it. The door won't open. Look at the frame. See how much toast we got here. Huh. From what my hands can feel, it's not that bad, believe it or not. This thing looks like a turd. But these are generally rode hard and put away wet, so really no surprise. Suppose if the number is right, you obviously know that you can fix these and make money on them. This one needs a lot of work. Just have to watch it and see. Okay, so another one on the program today is this 2016 Jeep Rubicon with the Warren winch. It's a pretty sick truck, actually. I like the color. It's got some nice accoutrements. 18,000 miles. I've driven it. Obviously, it drives like an 18,000 mile truck, so this is pretty sick. I like it. I really like the color a lot. I don't know what kind of color it is, but it's really pretty. I like the bumpers. I just use the word pretty for this truck. Don't mind me, I'm an idiot. But yeah, it's pretty dope. Got the rock guards, dig it. Definitely watch this and see what it brings. So I ended up having some technical difficulties with the Jeep there, the 2016. It sold for $35,000, but I ended up buying this sweet Grand Prix right here, Richard Petty edition, and missed out on this beautiful Jeep. I couldn't spend $35K. I didn't have it. But hopefully this video is helpful and you want to subscribe, share my videos. Have a great day. This was auction day with Clay.